Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 3.92 rear axle ratio, Bighorn Level 1 equipment group included, rear window defroster cluster 3.5 inches TFT color display power 8-way driver seat rear power sliding window sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors glove box lamp integrated center stack radio class 4 receiver hitch single disc remote CD player power 4-way driver lumbar adjust power adjustable pedals phone bottle insert, door trim panel, Google Android Auto. For more info call 800-643-2112 exterior mirrors courtesy lamps 1-year Sirius XM radio service auto dim exterior driver mirror radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display Sirius XM satellite radio exterior mirrors with supplemental signals Bighorn IP badge rear dome with on-off switch lamp universal garage